guy's a good guy. He loves his wallet.
Guy, this is Kyle. Kyle's the best.
High five.
He's giving high fives out for free.
So what I'm trying to do is give high fives. You know what? They're free.
They're free. Absolutely free. Thanks, Kyle. Oh, buddy. You can hang up there as long as you want, buddy. Hey, how are you?
Don't forget my dog is gonna greet us. So.
Yes.
You're so precious. she couldn't hold back.
What a world we live in to have 10 courses of food.
That's the good stuff right here.
Good stuff.
This is sea urchin with cornbread and humble
Ooh. We got here, number 5.
Number 5.
Don't miss. Duck in 3 different ways.
Cheers.
Oh! Jujubes. Dessert number 1.
Cereal wouldn't be complete without a prize. These are hazelnut ice cream roasters. This is gonna mark the end of your meal. Thank you very much.
Yiggity.
Yo.
Yiggity yo.
Yiggity yo.
Yiggity yo. Mango habanero. Mango habanero. Cheers.
Cheers.
To umami. Umami.
Specific. I don't think it was specifically.
There's some, what is it called? Blizzard number 6 of Blizzard Week. How do you feel?
Number 6. I feel fantastic.
Fantastic. You're joining. How is Blizzard number 2 for you?
So big.
No, you wanted this.
I mean,
No,